Okay, kids, this is a confirmation of my last blog about this. I know I sounded insensitive, but I'm being realistic. If you are playing in a sandbox imitating a TV show that is really awesome, and your friend asks you to bury him or her in sand because you saw it on a TV show, don't do it. Use your brain. I mean, what are you? Retarded? I know people who have mental retardation who have enough common sense not to do that. Plus, didn't your parents ever tell you not to imitate what you see on TV? Come on, are you an idiot? I know I sound insensitive, but what you did was just stupid. I'm out. I am going to say goodbye on this, and, well, just use your head next time, and don't act like an idiot. It's late, and that's why my eyes are saggy. And because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. So, next time, use your brain. And don't get a TV show canceled because of that, because you were stupid one time. Okay. I'm going now. But don't do something stupid like that again. If you have a brain, listen to your parents when they tell you not to imitate what you see on TV. Especially if it's a cartoon. Especially if it's a cartoon. Don't imitate it. Cartoons are not real like real life. People can't breathe fire. People can't manipulate sand. And if it's a cartoon and it has stuff that seems dangerous on it, do not imitate it. Do you hear me? You were acting stupid. There's a reason the kid died. Because you and the kid were not thinking of the consequences to what you were doing. And just reminding you, when your parents tell you not to imitate a cartoon, don't listen to them. Don't imitate a cartoon. In fact, a long time ago, when I was 2, I don't even remember it, but my parents say that I jumped off a coffee table and hit my head on a chair. Now, you know what? I had to have stitches. I don't remember it well, but it happened when I was 2. Parents, don't let your kids do stupid things. And if you don't want your kids imitating something they saw on a cartoon on a TV show that is popular, tell them not to do it before it's too late. Okay, I'm getting worked up over this. It's old news. But the show was in its final season. Okay? I've said it. I've said all I need to say. Bye bye.